Hey, I'm Will. I work on AI at ClerkChat, and our mission is to make every business conversational through AI. This week, in my personal life, I was moving apartments and bouncing between coffee shops for Wi-Fi, and I worked on something pretty cool for ClerkChat this week. I was building an AI messaging agent demo for a potentially pretty big client. And the idea is this: you have a list of people in your CRM who you want to target with an SMS campaign, a standard marketing campaign, but instead of just blasting them, you give this cohort to one of ClerkChat's AI agents. Our AI agents message each contact conversationally with a specific goal in mind, which is usually to extract some sort of data, like if they're interested, what's their attitude, that sort of thing. What our AI agents will do is converse with your contact list, extract the data, and update this back to your CRM, whichever one you use, Salesforce Dynamics, without you lifting a finger, without you doing any messaging or any updating to the CRM. This AI will also follow up if the customer drops off during the sequence and the goal isn't met with a contextually relevant follow-up. And the AI has a self-improving dimension to it where if it's asked a question it doesn't have the answer to, it will ask a human for that data to improve next time, which is something I think is pretty cool. And so we demoed this to a lead today, which is Monday, a slightly different version of this flow, and they really liked it and are looking to move forward to the next step, which is pretty huge. That's quite cool. And so some lessons that came from this week was that everyone, it seems there's a lot of companies in AI, a lot of AI startups that are chasing these big glamorous AI applications, home runs, and espousing claims like AI will replace your workforce. But what we're seeing is that's not where the real value is right now, not in these big home runs. Instead, it's in simple, mundane activities like answering support calls, filling out tickets, and doing sentiment analysis, which are basic tasks that eat up hours of your human time. And on top of this, the truth is that businesses can't handle huge changes to their workflows. They need manageable steps, they need to be in increments, and so AI isn't about one hit revolutionary change. It's about small, overlooked tasks, improving them and making them more efficient, and that's where we're seeing the impact. It's not to say that AI models won't get to the point of augmenting more complex jobs. It's just that right now, the real value that I see is in simple, repetitive tasks. So don't swing for the home runs. Automate things that will have real impact with AI right now. And on top of this, I fundamentally view AI as enabling and augmenting humans rather than replacing them entirely. And this view is shared at ClerkChat. And this kind of fits with that philosophy of enabling and automating repetitive tasks like data collection, basic inquiries, so that humans can focus on more strategic and complex decisions. So that's the lesson I'm taking forward from this week, which is to focus on the simple stuff first, because that's where AI is making a real difference right now to businesses.